Hey beauties, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking hair, specifically hair toppers. So E-Litchi, which if you don't know who they are, they're an online hair retailer. They sell wigs, extensions, hair toppers, things like that. They sent me this box, which I already have it out right now. They sent me also this pink stand. This is a real human hair topper. It's got bangs. I think it's 14 inch, maybe 16 inch, I'm not sure. On the top you have 4 clips, one in the front and back and one on either side. As you can see, my hair is very red right now, which if you haven't seen that video, I will link it up here somewhere. You can go ahead and give that one a watch if you'd like. As you can see, this is not going to match my hair at the moment because, well, I'm not blonde anymore. I'm just showing you here for the moment. It's got bangs. I'll probably need to trim them up a bit. This is what it looks like. We are going to be dyeing it to match my red. When I made the mixture that my hair is right now, I did mix up a big batch so that I had enough to color this, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just going to speed through this process and put some color on here. All right, you guys, hopefully you can see everything here. This is the red mixture that I made, mixing all my reds together to create what I have on my actual head. And we're just going to start painting it on. We're gonna let this sit for about a half an hour and then we'll be back. All right, you guys, this is it, the final result. It is on my head. It is a smidge brighter than my hair, but it's all right. It's kind of like, give some dimension. Let me spin you around. I did trim it up a little bit just to kind of match into my hair a little better. Added some layers, gave a bit of curl into it. Because it is human hair, you can curl this and straighten it. I think it looks fabulous. Love, love, love the bright red. I think it's gorgeous. There is a ton of fun hairstyles that I'm going to be showing you guys how to do with a hair topper. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I think that's it, you guys. Let me know what you think of this down in the comments below. If you have fine hair like I do, hair toppers are amazing. They're such a great alternative to wearing hair extensions because with fine brittle hair, tape-ins, clip-ins, all of that, they are hard on the hair no matter what anyone tells you they are. So I'm excited to have this in my life. You can do some updos with it. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. If you are not already a part of the Min's Beauty family, what are you waiting for? head down there, hit that little subscribe button. If you'd like to be notified of upcoming videos, then hit the bell so your phone can ping at you when I upload. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm going to go and rock some bright red hair now. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.